If you are self-publishing, timing is everything. This video outlines a 12-week plan to help you reach launch day without the stress of last-minute scrambling. Why follow a timeline? Think of it as essential preparation. A 12-week structure provides enough time for professional editing and marketing, ensuring that on launch day, you have an eager community ready to engage. Weeks 12 to 10 are your production phase. Focus on finalizing your edits, getting your cover design completed, formatting your ebook and paperback files, and ordering proof copies to catch any final mistakes. Between weeks 9 and 8, go live behind the scenes. Set up your sales pages on platforms like Amazon KDP or Ingram Spark, write your book description, and upload your final files with a release date 8 weeks out. Weeks 7 and 6 are for building your ARC team. Recruit 10 to 20 readers to review your book, send them their advance copies, and ask them to post honest reviews during launch week. In weeks 5 and 4, shift your focus to marketing. Create your social media graphics, prepare your newsletter sequence, pitch your book for interviews, and start posting consistently to generate anticipation. During weeks 3 and 2, ramp up the momentum. Open pre-orders, share engaging behind-the-scenes content or excerpts, and run a small giveaway to help grow your email list. By week 1, you are in launch week. Double-check your links, schedule your final posts, send your last reminder to your ARC team, and prepare to engage with your readers. On launch day and the week after, it is time to celebrate. Post your news everywhere and keep the momentum going by continuing to share your book and running small ad campaigns. Remember, a successful launch relies on planning, not luck. Start early, follow the timeline, and stay consistent. Thank you for watching, and let us know what week you are currently in.